Allow me to reintroduce myself. My name is...
Yeah, KGR, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's a little windy this morning, September. This car came in this morning. The lady complained that the lights, the charging system, it keeps saying check your charging system, check your charging system. So the lady brought it this morning, so I said, okay, I'm going to take a look and see what is going on. But in any way, if you're new to my channel, you're quite welcome. Please consider subscribing, support your boy in any way you can. I'm going to bring you guys and show you exactly what I found on this car. It's a 2011 Ford Explorer. So you know my slogan, KG, let's go. We're getting it right now. So if you look down here, straight here, the first thing that I noticed, the belt was broken. There is no belt on the car. Obviously, if there is no belt, you know the car is not going to charge. But I went further down to see, you know, anytime there's a broken belt, you have to find out what happened next. So coming down to the alternator, I try to turn the alternator. We have a frozen alternator. That was why the belts snap out. So this car needs an alternator and belts. So KG, let's go and see what it's going to take to do this job. We will be right. So first we're going to disconnect the battery. Even she went to AutoZone trying to see if she can save some money, change the battery, but before she came to me, it was still the same thing. So we're going to lose the battery, then we're going to take off that radiator coat for us to be able to do this job. So I'm going to do all those and see how this job is going to be unraveled. All right, so I disconnected the radiator hose. This guy as well from the fan. Took off the airbox. They're blocking the. So my goal is to take off this radiator coat. Take off this guy. Sorry, man. I've been a little kind of sneezy and all of that. What's going on with me right now? Get this guy out. Now you can see the alternator, but the alternator is going to come out from here. Alright. So there is two bolts that is holding the alternator, but you have to take up this tensioner. The reason for that, this is the upper bolt and this is the lower bolt. See, the reason for that, this tensioner is going to be covering that bolt. Even if you can be able to get to the bolt, you can't be able to take it out. So you have to take up that guy right there. So once you take off those two bolts, the radiator should be the alternator. Thank you. I'm under the weather here a little bit. My nose is running. Please bear with me, but I'll make it. I break the other loose already. Everything is good. I'm gonna try to bring this guy out. I thought there was something else holding the alternator. Obviously it's not. But after much battle, I was able to get it. So you just have to be mindful because of the radiator here. You don't want to go advance you to put a cardboard wood. Here's the so anytime, maybe when you're driving your car, right, when you start hearing like a squeaking noise, you want to pay attention to that, because quite often the bearing that is inside there tend to seize, and when it seizes, this pulley is not going to be turning, and once that happens, the next thing in the belt is going to go loose, because this thing's supposed to be free. So that's what happened in this case. So I advise you, anytime you're hearing a noise, even the compressor on this car, I can hear it making noise too. So I will advise the lady, you might want to change the compressor sooner or later. So there you have it. The Alternator, we're gonna wait for the other one, then we'll match it up, and that'll be it for now. So I'll see you on the other side. Let's keep the commercial KG. So the alternator is here. We're waiting for him for a long time. Finally arrived. You know, Saturday, you know, any mechanic want to go home in time. Well, that's the alternator there. Go ahead and put that bad boy in there, put the belt, and we'll start this car and ready to go. So we're gonna go ahead and drop that guy in there. All right, the alternator is back in now. So what we're gonna do is to put the adjuster pulley and start connecting everything. So once you put this adjuster that I was telling you about, it's hard to video. See right there, there's a 3/8 bolt. Once you put that back there, but the reason why you have to take out that, because it's covering the alternator bolt. So you just move this guy right here like this. See, it's like you're pulling it towards the radiator. That's how you put the belt. It's very easy, very, very easy. Anybody can do that. I'll put a diagram there, a picture or something. Okay. And you don't have no special tools for that. You can use this 3/8, so long as you have the long extension. So now we're gonna come here now and come in this guy right here first. This guy right here. Put this guy in right here to make sure. See that key right there? Make sure it goes in. Don't put it in the wrong way. Then now you connect this one right here. Connect this guy right here. Yeah, that's not. That's right there. So we're gonna put this 12 bolt here and put the 12 nuts. I meant to say, once we do that, put the radiator coat. That'll be okay. The coat is back on. Just make sure you connect this connector for the fan, so that the fan will be working, so the car don't overheat. Snap all this thing back in there. I'm gonna put this airbox. This guy's gonna come back in now. Do this one right there. Love that. The car is coming. Everything coming together. Put that guy in there. Go ahead. Just fire up the car. Everything looks nice. And don't forget, top off your antifreeze. Okay, that's the car that goes right there. Okay. Make sure you top your antifreeze. Everything looks nice. Running. In that box, everything is hot. So we connected everything. So we're looking good. I'm very real under the weather. That's why you see me do a lot of videos. I do the best I can do. You know? we are under the weather, and my head was right. So I'll see you on my next episode. That's pretty much it on this job right here. Please like, subscribe, whatnot, comment, questions. I'll see you next time. Shout out to Brooklyn. Love your KG. Signing out. Peace. We out.